Hello students, now today in this lecture we will discuss about work and power, and we will start from definition of work. Student, work is said to be done only when the force applied on a body makes the body move. Means that if we apply a force on a body and displacement takes place in the direction of applied force, in this case we can say that work is done. Okay. Now, amount of work done on a body depends on two factors, and first factor is magnitude of the applied force, and second factor is displacement produced by the force. मतलब ये कि अगर हम किसी बॉडी पे फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और वो बॉडी मूव कर रहा है, डिस्प्लेस हो रहा है इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स, देन वी कैन से दैट वर्क इज डन. अब वो जो वर्क डन है वो दो चीज़ों पर डिपेंड कर रहा है. फर्स्ट कि कितना फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, फोर्स जो अप्लाइड फोर्स है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है, एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट प्रोड्यूस बाय द फोर्स. मतलब ये कि उस फोर्स की वजह से उस बॉडी में जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है वो कितना हो रहा है. सो वर्क डन कैन बी रिटन एज वर्क इक्वल्स एफ इंटू एस. ओके. नाउ मैथमेटिकली work is defined as the product of force and displacement in the direction of applied force. Okay, so product of force and displacement is called work done. Okay, now what is SI unit and what is CGS unit of work? Student, we have expression W equals force into displacement. Now what is SI unit of force? Kilogram meter per second square. And what is SI unit of displacement? Meter. So we can write kilogram meter square per second square. Okay. SI unit of work is kilogram meter square per second square, and it can be written as joule. Okay. Now what is CGS unit of work? Students, in CGS system, unit of force is dyne. Okay, and can be written as gram centimeter per second square. And CGS unit of displacement is again centimeter. So we have gram centimeter square per second square. Okay, so CGS unit of work is gram centimeter square per second square and can be written as erg. Okay. Now we have a question. What is definition of 1 joule? Students, we have formula W equals Fs. Now if we apply a force of 1 Newton, okay, if we apply a force of 1 Newton in a body and displacement takes place in body of 1 meter, then we can say that work is done and amount of work done is of 1 joule. Okay. Now next, power. Student, rate of doing work is called power. Okay. मतलब अगर हम कोई वर्क डन कर रहे हैं तो वो किस रेट से कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, किसी पर्टिकुलर यूनिट टाइम में कितना वर्क डन हो रहा है वही बताता है क्या, पावर. तो रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क इज कॉल्ड पावर. P equals W by T. Now here W represent work done, T represent time, and P represent power. So we have P equals W by T. Power equals work done upon time taken. Okay. Now what is SI unit of power? Actually in SI system, unit of work is joule and unit of time is second. So SI unit of power will be joule per second and also known as watt. Okay, can be written as capital W. Now what is CGS unit? CGS unit of work is erg. CGS unit of time is second, so we can write erg per second. CGS unit of power will be erg per second. Okay, now bigger units of power and smaller units of power. Students, kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt, horsepower, all are bigger units of power. Okay, and 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 means 10 to the power 3 watt. Okay, and 1 megawatt equals 10 to the power 6 watt. 1 gigawatt means 10 to the power 9 watt, and 1 horsepower equals 746 watt. Okay, now smaller units of power, milliwatt, microwatt, etc. Okay, and 1 milliwatt equals to 10 to the power minus 3 watt, and 1 microwatt is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 watt. Okay, now we have another question. Define 1 watt. Actually, students, if work done is of 1 joule in time 1 second, okay, then power is defined as 1 watt. Okay, so if in any body work done is of 1 joule in time 1 second, then power of that body is defined as 1 watt. Okay, thank you.